tell you go.
Yes.
You're up on the border, Manchester and Clarendon, yeah?
Oh, well, bike taxi run on it too.
Yes, they have to big them up.
Big up, man.
Respect.
I think a nigga will alone bike taxi run, you know.
Respect.
Rodney Hall.
Yeah,
Okay.
historical community.
Historical community.
Yeah, one if I history.
Turns around here, great houses.
You know, in Portland, you back up on the hill before you start come down the first
Mhm. Today, my journey took me to the beautiful parish of Portland. There, I found one of the weirdest tunnels so far. This particular tunnel was situated just off a beach that may once have been a port for offloading cargo. Well, that is just my guess, however. One thing for certain, I could not have guessed what awaited me inside of that tunnel. To get to Portland, my journey took me across 5 parishes, starting at the border of Clarendon and Manchester, through St Catherine, Kingston and St Andrew, St Mary, and finally into the clean and pleasant parish of Portland.
People, when you just tune in to Scott Pass, yeah?
Scott
Check
Pass.
it out. Check out the view. Show them a view.
Yes, man.
They feel like it is shaky. Check out the view. You see around here, so keep bingy.
Naya Bingi.
Bingy, Naya Bingy. Junior Gang Mali, whole line Mali family, around here, so check it out.
When it keep?
I'm a matter of fact, them can't see it now for around here, so, but look. Anytime you're up on the main,
Yeah.
the road, they don't pass the bridge.
May I take a picture of the bridge and
Don't
go out
pass the
there?
bridge.
Yes,
Check
man.
it out. See them here?
I see a tunnel down the road too.
Them here, and them here do a transaction in a place. If you want to reach from point A to point B,
Well, bike taxi run on it too.
yes, they have to big them up.
Big up, man.
Respect.
I think a nigga will alone bike taxi run, you know.
Respect, bike taxi. Yeah?
I think that don't say alone, nigga.
Bike stop.
It's a
Yeah,
bike
man.
stop.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So the I name, bro?
Man,
Yeah.
Big Steve, man.
Peg Steve. All right.
Hey.
Big up.
See meds, yeah? The girl them meds.
The girl, them mates. Yo, you see, when I come for go around at the tunnel round, so you move
Yeah,
forward, you
man.
know.
I will be there, people.
All right.
Listen me. I will be there striking with the agent.
All right.
Right on the line. So
All
you can
right.
check it out.
So peeps,
Yes.
look out for that.
Right there. See one of the bike taxi and all things, yeah? All right. Bless up. Yes, people. We let the water smoke on the line, although we are Rasta. But we are going to just have a drink in our man and look up at the beautiful sun. Look. Beautiful day. It's another day. Look at it. Oh my God, this is Clarendon.
True.
St. Tully.
So hold on. Yes, sir. Clarendon started
No,
already.
Clarendon I whole cut.
Oh, me think so poor side of Manchester.
You
No?
have section differently.
I tell you go.
Yes.
You're up on the border, Manchester and Clarendon, yeah?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
You line party, see line.
Right at the border.
Yeah man, I line party.
Blessings, man.
Right.
Check out the channel named Elite Jamaica. History and archaeology, me do everything about Jamaica.
It's love and great, man. That's the right, man.
Blessings.
That's the right.
Blessings. Give thanks.
Yeah. I really matter, man. I see borderline. I decide borderline between Clarendon and Manchester.
Oh, the train line.
Train line I borderline.
Okay.
Clarendon and Manchester.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
If you come there, you can see a good view with it. And it's a love to catch. When I do that.
The O?
I'm showering in our house.
Yeah.
And we have the bathroom right here.
Okay.
So them I look up, come right here. Nice like that. Up the street, see up the street.
Yes, man. Nice view. a place called the Castleton on our way to Buff Bay, Portland. We're in search of the Buff Bay Railway Tunnel. As you know, we have been documenting railway tunnels from the other day. And yeah man, it'll go exciting. Wanna follow me? My first stop was in Castleton, St Mary. Castleton is nestled in the hills of St Mary and is a haven for nature lovers who enjoy a cool, quiet place to relax. Castleton is also the home of the Castleton Botanical Gardens that was established on the 19th of November 1862 as a result of the dissatisfaction of the site in Bath, St Thomas. Polo Commons Banana Farm in St Mary is owned by the Jamaica Producers Group, which came into existence on the 1st of April 1929. It is a direct offspring of the Jamaica Producers Association, which was formed in 1925. The Jamaica Producers Group is responsible for the marketing of agricultural products in Jamaica and the Caribbean. Yeah guys, so we were heading into Port Antonio and we saw a sign saying Fort Stewart. Now me thinking it was a fort with like cannons and all of that. So I turn upon this lonely road as I've been showing and reach up in our community, ask for Fort Stewart, and the people them say at the community name Fort Stewart. There is no fort. However, there are some slavery sites out on the main. I'm gonna see if I can find those. Alright? Yeah man.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn.
Yeah guys, so as we are past, we see part of our ruins. Right here we actually there in not to be at the moment. There it is, but a people yard. I can't go over there. You know, spot the stone wall and I actually see it. However, I won't be able to go over there. Yeah. So guys, we're on the last leg of St Mary at the border of Portland and St Mary. If you notice, these are the gates, the Portland gates, we call them. And if we look at the next side, we actually see the St Mary side from here. St Mary. Alright, so now I'm in a Portland. Alright. Yeah, guys. So, I'm going to go back over in St. Mary and get out of here and head to where we're going. Where you say other people come down here? Yeah. Eh? Okay. So, where you build house or wall or what? Okay. You build house?
Yeah.
And you do the work yourself? For real, man.
I can do it myself.
True. You say you can angle your shovel, man. What's your name?
Sasha.
Sasha. Blessings, Sasha. Nice meeting you. Yeah? Female, them hard at work. True, you have to know if you angle your shovel, man. So, like, taxi run come around here and them thing there? Yeah? It's a nice community, though. What the community name?
Rodney Hall.
Rodney Hall.
Yeah.
Okay.
Historical community.
Historical community.
Yeah, one if I history.
Like? Because of history me doing it. You have like slavery plantations around here, great houses.
Volcano in Portland. Yeah.
You see me tell me that telling about the volcano? Yeah, them say the volcano. So really something?
Yep.
Like, where is it?
Back up on the hill before you start come down the first hill. Up on the hill there.
Okay. And you can really see it's a volcano. I did it up already. Okay. Okay. So anyway, a nice meeting here now. Yes, man. Arriving at this location, I immediately realized that it was not the tunnel I was searching for. However, I became even more excited to see this tunnel and couldn't wait to venture inside, unaware of what awaited me. After driving out almost all of Portland and end up on one beach side, see the sea over this piece, we finally reach the tunnel. I don't really understand why this tunnel up on the beach side or what this tunnel all about. I don't know if it was a train line or what it was. However, let me show you all this, guys. Alright? You think this was a train tunnel? So what this tunnel was all about?
Maybe to take things from ships to
Out here maybe was a port.
I'm relying on water and things.
No, it not fall now when you pass.
I need to tell while I'm on it, I think.
Yeah, because the road. Yeah, guys, this is like crazy. I'm not sure what this tunnel is all about. It doesn't seem like a train, like a railway tunnel. So if anyone has any idea what this tunnel was built for, please let me know. I'm not seeing a plaque or anything like that. But there's no way water could have reached inside to get to that. Yeah, but I don't know how gravel would have reached inside to pull up the train line. How the water would have reached inside. Leave it in my car. Me here, right back over here, you know. Be a cut stone. Rat butt, holy. Holy for rat butt. Them just fly across the camera. See them? You see them?
Wrong up, man. I couldn't run it quick, man. Like we are telling me.
Turn your shades. Now look up at the light. Then we'll bite, you know.
Don't look up, that's right. Too dark, yeah, no.
You hear them? Hold it for them, you know. Come. We have to go come back through, you know. Eh? No, can't turn on the light. You see rat butterfly. Them attracted to the light, you know. Just step, man. No hole. Me there front. Just walk behind me. Hold the rat button. I'll be a garbage up, sir. Hey, this is not a train line. I don't know what that tunnel is for. Pat? Come. And the light, them are for line, is it? But all the gravel and the flood reach under here? Sweat me, I sweat, you know, the amount of rock, the rock back them bother, you don't see them? Guys, a whole heap of rock bat. Portland with there, you know, man. Yeah guys, so we reach next end of the tunnel. That's the tunnel, guys. Not sure what this tunnel was made for, but it doesn't seem like a tunnel for trains. Now I try to go back through with light, but I hold the camera far from me. Alright, so yeah guys, surroundings. All the rat butt under the tunnel. Maybe the train run go down, maybe I just the end of the line and the train go down to a, like maybe them have a wharf down there, so where them pick up things. So guys, we are go back through the tunnel now. Through them, I go back, you know.
Look up there, see a clock?
With the O?
It would have been to say London something or another, because there's a
with the O over this.
steel thingy, doors thing running across. You see?
Yeah.
That could be up there to rub it.
Yeah, there should be something up there, some data or something.
Yeah, you can't touch this. Oh. There's no railway line here.
This is not a railway line.
Maybe this was
Maybe they just make it so them can drive go down from the beach.
from a plantation.
Yeah. You know?
So they have their own private beaches.
All of them that actually go come up on bright to do what. Don't put on yourself bright and look here.
When I reach now, make it have a dark. Put on your shades, where you put on, because about them.
I'm looking at you.
Through the phone, I'm looking at, put it far from me. Because at the phone, they might attack really, you know, the light, you know. So you get that now.
There's stone and a big down.
You're testing the water on there.
trying to say our sidewalk.
Gotcha,
That's a
gotcha.
Big flood. Big flood. Sidewalk was like I said, but that was the sidewalk, you know.
Yeah.
And then
It
down
was some
there.
kind of road.
Some kind of road.
The flood out and cover it, and yes, and yes, before we gone.
Well, them say it's a train tunnel still, no, so. But this is another one I'm going to look for still, is it?
Where's the line?
This is another one I'm going to search for, but
That's fine.
we'll find that one here. Unless them take up the line then.
That can't happen, yes, and selling a scrap iron and this. And then when I fight against them for you, that can't happen, man.
How long is this one?
You don't want to come so long, guys?
I'm not seeing a measurement for that one here. Right, but I'm not seeing it.
Just set the phone and measure.
Oh, I never remember.
Kingston go go and supposed to call a bill. And I just start putting it in there, I want to tell them, so they're going to come on. You know, we then work for me.
Somebody did say it was two.
Yeah.
So something has been on the here.
Yeah, this the dump up on the tractor clean out them that talk about. Yeah. Even though I did not find the tunnel I had set out to find, I'm excited to have found this tunnel, and I now await the challenges of researching the origin and the original use of this tunnel. I think I've fallen in love with Portland. It is absolutely beautiful, and I will be back to continue my search for the Orange Bay